We're making a quick air fryer breakfast today so you can get on the road. Welcome to Help at Home, your resource for great recipes and easy learning. I'm Jim Hightower. Today we're going to do a quick and easy air fryer breakfast. Some of you told me in the past that you wanted me to do more shows on foods that could be cooked in the air fryer. And I started thinking about people being in a rush and having to go places like work and school and not having time to eat. And I thought breakfast is the most important meal of the day, especially for kids. So I experimented with Pillsbury Grand's cinnamon rolls. And that's what we're going to cook today. And they'll be done in a quarter of the time of heating up the big oven and smelling up your house, or heating up your house if you didn't want it hot. So grab your pen and paper. Here come the easy ingredients. 1 can of cinnamon rolls. An air fryer. Here it is, my Instant Vortex air fryer. It's made by the same company that makes the Instant Pot. And if you recall in a previous video, this is what my wife got me for her birthday. Yes, she got me for her birthday. But it's very handy and quick, and we love it. So you'll need to preheat this on the bake setting to 320 degrees, because even though the can may say 350 or 375, you need to cook it lower and longer so it doesn't burn. So here we go. Since all air fryers are going to vary slightly in their temperature and how fast they cook, experiment with the time. Check it a little early and adjust it accordingly so that you don't have raw or burnt food. I have the Instant Vortex air fryer. You just touch it and we want to go to bake and temperature and go down to 320. Push select, and then time, we want to go up to 6 minutes. Select it and start. Once it's preheated, the message will change to add food. Now that it beeped and said add food, I've got my 5 Grand's cinnamon rolls in here and put it in 320 degrees, 6 minutes. And we just let it go. This is 6 minutes. It just beeped and turned off. And let's take a look. They've puffed up and they look nice, but they are not done. You need to take a pair of tongs, carefully get it and turn it over. That's one of the things that people miss, is getting the bottom cooked as well. Oops. And try to grab them carefully, because the underside is still raw and they can mash out of shape if you're a big brute like me. Alright. Put them back in their respective corners, leaving them plenty of room, and put this back in. I'm going to shove that down a little. Bake 320 for 4 to 6 minutes more. I'm going to start with 4 minutes and we'll see what we get. Okay, it just beeped and said end. Let's take a look. Ooh, look at those nice toasty cinnamon roll bottoms. Now the inside's just a tiny bit tender. I want to see. I'm going to give these 2 more minutes, I think. Just because they didn't quite look done. Our time is almost up. There it is. It says end. And, whoops. My fault. But it said end. And here they are. They look nice and brown. And you'll want to just take them and turn them over. Put them on a plate. And if you let them sit for just a minute or two, that part in the middle underneath will go back down. So we'll ice these and go back for the glamour shot. If you like this quick cooking idea, using the air fryer for a quick baked breakfast that you can take on the run, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and share with your friends who like to cook or just want to learn how. Drop me a line in the comments below about your experience with the air fryer and maybe how you had to set it. Click the bell in the top right hand corner for notifications. I'm Jim Hightower, and remember, everyone needs help, even me. Be well, enjoy, and Happy New Year. So we're going to take an easy, ready to go, no we're not. So today we're going to bake flaky flopper. You still need to eat. Breakfast? No. And I'm going to quit looking at the screen down there. Hello. Ay. If you like this quick cooking idea, using the using the what? Give me a comment. Maybe more than one.